Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. What we have here is another item from Refyne. It is the CC1 wallet. And I do want to make the disclaimer that they did send it out at no cost to me, so please bear that in mind when watching this video. So, as you can see, the packaging has seen better days, but I don't believe that is a reflection of Refyne. I think that's more of a reflection on the great United States Postal Service, but doesn't seem like anything's been damaged. So let's dive into what's inside. So it is made out of a genuine Saffiano leather, which I actually had to look that up, and apparently that is the same leather that Prada makes their bags out of. So I imagine if it's good enough for Prada, it is definitely good enough for Refyne. Now it will hold up to 8 cards and 10 bills folded. So you can see you have 2 card slots here and 2 card slots here. And you have your bill slot here. As you can see, there are copper accents. And the wallet itself, without the 2 metal pieces here, the 2 tools, it weighs in at 0.74 ounces, so a very light wallet, a very minimalist wallet. And that's, I'm sure you're probably more interested in the multi-tools here. Let's pull out the first one here. This is the pick. It can be used as a toothpick, a sim tool, a needle. It is made out of a grade 5 titanium. And then the multi-tool itself. So you have a flathead screwdriver there, another flathead screwdriver there. You have your bottle opener. Of course, you got your bottle opener. You also have a 1/4-inch bit driver wrench there, and 3 different size wrenches there. Those are 6, 8, and 10 millimeter wrenches. And on this side here, you have a package opener. I don't know if you can see that little hook there. And we also have a nail puller, and of course your pry bar. So very neat concept and very nice looking wallet. I would honestly say I don't think I would EDC this wallet. It would probably be saved for more of a special occasion, like a wedding or a business event or whatnot. But very, very interesting design, very neat design. And let's see if, just to show you cards in there. And same on this side here. So I want to thank Refyne for sending these out and letting me take a look at them. I greatly appreciate it. And I want to thank you for watching the video. As always, I hope everyone's having a great day. I appreciate everyone watching, and I will see you next time.